The project presents a secure one-click payment system using Braintree, allowing users to fund their accounts without repeating payment information entry. It features an initial setup for credit card details vaulting and highlights the integration with Next.js for an effortless user experience. This section addresses the key motivations behind creating this repository, which primarily look to streamline the payment process and enhance user convenience. This part details enabling users to add funds to their accounts via PayPal, emphasizing minimal interaction through Visa cards and outlining testing practices during development. While managing user balances and deducting funds is crucial, the specifics are not within this repository's scope, as they primarily deal with back-end database concerns. This section guides users through installing necessary packages for development and testing, highlighting the creation of a Braintree Sandbox account and retrieving essential API keys. A screenshot demonstrating the Braintree Sandbox account sign-up process, which indicates initial steps in using and testing the payment system. Instructions for retrieving API keys from the Braintree Sandbox settings, complete with links and guidance for navigating the interface. Configuration details for the environment variables necessary for connecting to the Braintree Sandbox, ensuring developers can easily integrate the payment system. This section offers a practical guide for utilizing the one-click payment system, detailing both the client-side user interface and the testing process. The command for running the development server is shared for ease of setup, empowering developers to quickly get started. The client interaction process is outlined in two main phases, focusing on integrating user actions with back-end responses. In the first phase, users input their credit card information via a secure form, which Braintree vaults and uses to charge for the initial fund to account. The backend then associates this payment with a unique customer ID. The second phase allows users to top up their balance with a simple click, leveraging previously stored payment information in Braintree for quick transactions. Instructions for testing in development mode using Braintree's provided test credit card numbers, enhancing the accuracy of the payment process simulations. This section lists the primary technologies used in the project, focusing on Braintree and Next.js as core components. A comparative discussion between PayPal and Braintree, emphasizing their different user targets, capabilities, ease of setup, and customization options. Additional contrast between PayPal and Braintree shed light on features such as payouts, fee structures, and fraud protection, essential for users choosing between these services. A brief overview is provided, suggesting that PayPal is preferable for quick setups, while Braintree suits those needing more customization and advanced billing features. This section discusses the design choices, the importance of tokenized payments through Braintree, and how it improves user experience by saving card information securely. An overview of the project's code structure is provided, outlining the organized modules and functions responsible for payment logic implementation. The server-side module, Braintree, includes key functions for payment processes in the project, ensuring proper communication with Braintree's APIs. The gateway.clientToken.generate function creates a secure client token for initializing the front-end SDK, essential for executing transactions securely. The gateway.transaction.sale function handles the initial payment process, utilizing a payment method nonce and storing the card upon successful transaction. This function processes subsequent payments using a stored Braintree customer ID without the need for user input of payment details again. The generate client token action function is an asynchronous function facilitating client token generation for secure transaction initialization. The process initial Braintree payment action handles the initial payment submission process, capturing necessary payment data and user IDs. This action function processes subsequent payments using previously stored customer information, streamlining the user experience. The Braintree Web Drop-in module presents a pre-configured UI for card and alternative payment acceptances, simplifying client-side payment processing. The Braintree Payment Form component defines the prop structure for managing user interactions, ensuring that payment processing is tied to user accounts effectively. A walkthrough section providing visual guides for the one-click payment system's functionality, covering both initial setups and subsequent transactions. The two-phase transaction approach is reiterated in this section, focusing on user interactions during payment stages. Phase 1 illustrates the process of making payments by providing card details and confirms successful customer ID assignment. An image showing the demo application's homepage highlights the absence of a set Braintree customer ID, crucial for understanding user flow during payments. Upon completing the Phase 1 payment, the new ID assignment demonstrates user registration with the payment system. In Phase 2, users can complete transactions without re-entering card information, showcasing the vaulting feature's effectiveness. The simplicity of Phase 2 is emphasized by demonstrating the one-click payment capability, enhancing user experience. Instructions for viewing transactions in the Braintree sandbox environment, guiding users on how to track their payment activities. Users are shown how to view and search their transactions, emphasizing the ease of tracking processed payments. Points of interest in creating a production Braintree account are noted, alongside clarifications about user ID relationships. Key considerations for taking the system live are listed, highlighting the importance of security and storage practices for sensitive payment information. This section includes references to the official Braintree documentation, providing users with further resources for understanding and using the payment service.